Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your beachfront escape awaits with endless possibilities. Welcome to your dream beachfront oasis, located at Llandovery, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. This stunning 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is perfectly situated on just under half an acre of pristine coastal paradise. Step out of your back door onto a pristine sandy beach with crystal clear waters. Enjoy breathtaking sunsets and the soothing sound of waves right from your own backyard. The bedrooms and the bathrooms provide ample space for family and guests. Remote gate entry ensures privacy and security. A carport offers convenient covered parking. The expansive lot allows for potential expansion. Beachfront access for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. This beachfront home is a rare gem that combines natural beauty, income potential, and the flexibility to expand and customize your paradise. Don't miss the opportunity to own this slice of heaven on the Jamaican North Coast. Make contact today to schedule a viewing and start living the beachfront dream you have always imagined. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.